Will this misleading makeup hack ever stop? As a lip artist of 6 years, I can tell you this is not what happened. You cannot just slap your liquid lipstick on in random places, rub your lips together, and you will magically get a fine, crisp line and a perfect ombre lip. I'll tell you a secret. Blending is not the hard part. The hard part is getting that fine lip line and tracing the contour across your lips, even though you have different colors. Why haven't I spoken out before? Because I thought nobody believed these videos. You know, the other TikTok transitions where you wave your arm across your face and you magically have your makeup on. Nobody believes that's what actually happened, right? Recently, a few videos came to my attention where people were trying to recreate this hack. They were just slapping on liquid lipstick, rubbing their lips together. They did not get the same result because it's not possible, and they were upset and thinking they were doing something wrong. No, you aren't doing anything wrong. Each of these videos has a little jump in the end, which is the editing of the video. See right here? Let me play it out in slow motion for you. She's rubbing her lips together, she doesn't get it perfect, and then she got it perfect off camera, and she comes back and does the video editing. But you need proof, don't you? I'll now show you a video clip of me doing this hack, and then I will show you what really happened. We have to be quick to rub the lips before the lipstick dries out, and let's go. Totally no crisp line. Don't have time for that. Oh my god, it worked! Not really. And I somehow got that crown magically on my head, all because of this hack. No, that's because it's an edit! Let me show you how it really went. See that line? Oh my god, my teeth are also not clean. See how rough it is? We are going to perfect it. Off camera, of course. The part you don't see in those videos. So I take this lipstick, the purple one, and I start drawing my lip line. See the difference here? And just so that you understand, it's nothing too hard. You can do that too. You don't need that hack. You just need a little bit more time. And now we don't rub anything. We take this sponge, which has little product in it, and we slightly diffuse the borders. Ever so slightly. Okay, here they're already kind of blended, but let's just blend a little bit more. Now comes the teal lipstick, and let's just do the same thing. Just continue this line. This is the hardest part, making the line crisp. Already looks so different, doesn't it? And once again with a sponge, we're doing a little bit of blending where it is still needed and improving the lines. I will let this lipstick dry and record the end of that clip. Now that you know the truth behind the scenes, please don't try this hack at home, and if you need guidance on ombre lips and help, I have a ton of YouTube tutorials in the lip art tutorials playlist. You don't have to watch mine, watch anybody's. You can totally learn how to do it. It's not that hard, I promise you, you will do it, but it just requires a little bit of time.